I just woke up in a van. It's 9:30 in the morning and I just had the best sleep ever. So a lot of you guys are probably wondering how I keep my electronic device charged, because at night I'm always watching movies, my camera's always charged. I literally always have electricity, and this is how. I got my deep cycle RV battery that's there. I charged it before I left. And I got a 750 watt inverter right there that I plug direct on the RV battery. And now I can plug normal plugs and a USB. And I've been only charging my phone with this, and like I'm pretty sure I can get like 200 charges or something off of this. You might be wondering what I do for water. Now that's not too complicated for me. I just get these jugs and I fill them up. What do I do for hygiene? Now, I got my little hygiene bag here. That I do every day. Now, what I do less is take an actual shower, and that I can do twice a week, find the proper place. Also, what I do for food, I'll show you guys, because since I don't have a fridge, all I can have is food that you don't need to keep refrigerated. So I'll give you a quick glimpse of my food. I got some tuna, I got some popcorn. Okay, I need to go do some groceries, but yeah. This is the little town I woke up in. It's pretty sweet, eh? It's a bunch of little shops like this. The van's parked over there, guys. Go for a little walk down. Wow, isn't that beautiful? We're at the end of the ropes here. That's the cliffs, and that's beautiful Alma over there. So a lot of van lifers go down this road. You can see there's a van down there. And right here is camping supplies. Village laundry, ice cream, and fire. Healthy snacks.